Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing for you the Samsung Galaxy A05s. So I'd like to, before I start the video, I'd like to thank Samsung for sending these out to me. Really appreciate it. They sent me two out, so we got two different color schemes of them. Both the same phone. One's black and one's a silver color. A grey silver, more of a silver metallic. So yeah, this box is a bit, God knows what happened there, bro. Maybe there was a sticker on there or something. Got barcode there, IMEI number. That looks nice, doesn't it? On the back, I believe they don't come with the chargers anymore. This is a new phone. It's like a 1 year old, I think, or just over 1 year old. So it's not terribly, it's not old. Box design is the same on both ends. Now we have, what do I need to break into? I think I'll just break in from the top. Can I do it without scissors? Let's see. Oh yes, I can. Wow. Good thing I didn't cut my nails yet. Alright guys. Bam. Oh, I just lift it out. Pretty cool that. Wow. Nothing else there. Take the next one out. There you go. Wow. Beautiful lads. And this one's the white one. Alright. So take these booklets out, keep these separate. Even this protector, it looks like it's bloody been used, but oh well, it's free. What can you say, guys? End of day. Right, let's take this out. There you go. Comes in a little protector like that, can you see? Sorry, Samsung. Does it just rip off like that? Or does it need to come out? Let's see. It looks like it's stuck on the corner there, can you see? Can I? Do I need to either pull it out or what? Do I have to slide it out? Let's see. Okay, let me figure this out, guys. I'll be 1 second. Alright guys, yeah, you have to slide it out. Yeah, so I needed 2 hands for that anyway. So yeah, it's actually, let's see, it's heavy but not heavy. It's light, but it's got a bit of heaviness to it. So it's not light where you feel like a toy phone. So it's decent size, and yeah, it's really decent, comfortable to hold because it's rounded around the edges. It's not like squared off. You got a front camera there. You can see the borders there. Can you see? Very thin borders, very beautiful, that isn't it? Look at that. On the side you got the SIM tray. Oh, this one has a 3.5mm headphone jack still. And you got the updated USB-C, which is really nice. You got speaker there. I think it only has one speaker. You got microphone at the top. You might have a like other Samsungs where this is a speaker as well for the audio, so you might use dual speaker that way. There and the bottom, you got bottom and top, and this is your fingerprint sensor, guys, here right on the side. Okay, so yeah, this is a 64 gig model. Yes, 4 gigs of RAM, I believe. You got 3 cameras there. One's the ultra wide one. The ultra wide is 50 megapixel. The normal one is 13 megapixel, and the other one I can't remember. I'll have to check for you guys. You got a nice flash there. But yeah, this is a really nice color scheme. I'll give this a start up quickly if it has any charge. Oh, just look at the screen, guys. So these are LCD screens, I believe, not AMOLED. So we'll see how they look. Let me turn the flash off for now. Look at reflection. Powered by Android, Samsung Galaxy. While that starts up, let's get this one out. Oh wow, look at the color on that. I wasn't expecting the color to be that nice. Okay, let me pull this out somehow. I need 2 hands like I needed before, dude. Alright, give me, oh wait, I'll capture this. Again, thank you Samsung for sending this out, appreciate it. But yeah, that screen's actually decent. So with the AMOLED, you get good washing angles, like you won't wash out. So that's why I want to check on these LCDs. Are they the same, or are they bad as well? Oh, I can't access any of the bloody settings from there. I'll have to set it up properly. So yeah, we'll do that later and you can have a look. Or I'll do that in another video. This is just an unboxing video really, isn't it? We'll do a review video eventually. Yeah, it's a beautiful phone, guys. Alright, I'll show you the other one. Let me get the other screen out now. Okay, let me put my flash back on. There you go. So yeah, you got the screen there. Very beautiful, isn't it, guys? There's a bit dirt over there. There you go. Get that dirt out. Alright. I'll be honest, this one feels better to hold in the hand. I think it's because of the metal. It's not metal, it's painted plastic. Yeah, this has a better texture. Yeah, this one's a bit more like can you hear the difference? This one's more grippy. This one's a bit more soft and thingy, squishy. You see the difference? That's like a matte, whereas that's a bit like plasticky. Can you see that? I love that color though, man. That is one hell of a color. Wow. So yeah, same again, everything's the same, just the colors different. Like I said, got the 3 cameras there. Give this one a boot up as well, see if that has any power. Yeah, it does. Alright guys, I'll tell you the specs now. So this has a 6.7 inch screen, guys. That's actually quite big, I'll be honest. I don't even know what size my screen is. It might be bigger than my screen, you know, my Note 20. I'm gonna check right now, give me 1 second, guys. Alright guys, I'm actually impressed. I'm really impressed. So these cost £100 to buy on August right now. You can also buy them other places. We'll have a look. So in Asda the 120, in August the £100. Samsung website, I don't know if they sell them anymore. We'll have to have a look. Maybe that's why they send these out. We'll see. So yeah, this actually has a 6.7 inch screen, like I said. So my Note 20 Ultra, he has a 6.9 inch, and that's a flagship phone. So that's only tiny bit smaller, and this £100, guys, that's actually really good. I wasn't expecting that. And my Note 20 Ultra, when it came out, was over £1,000, obviously. So that's crazy, isn't it? How well valued this is. So yeah, so this came out in 2023 September, guys. So just over a year old. It's not old and it's not new. All right. So yeah, the weight of this is 194 grams, and my phone is 208 grams. So yeah, when I was telling you, it's not light, it's not heavy. It's not heavy, but it's not light either. It's in between. So it's almost the same weight as my phone, which is crazy. But yeah, it's got a glass front and a plastic back with a plastic frame. So you can have a nano SIM, or you can have 2 SIMs in there. I'll have to check. I don't know if it has a SD card reader though. We'll have to have a look. We'll have a look, guys. We'll find out for you. Alright, so yeah, it does have a PLS LCD screen, which is 90 Hz. It's got 6.7 inch display, like I said, and it's a 1080p screen, which is decent, because some of these budget phones, they come with only 720. A lot of them do. So this, you're getting good value for money here. It's an Android 13, so it's on the same OS as my phone right now, and it's got Qualcomm Snapdragon 680, which is a 6nm. So it's got a smaller chip than mine because it's newer, so it will be better on battery life. And Snapdragon chips are always better than Samsung's Exynos chips. They know that themselves, so I'm just telling you, innit? So yeah, you'll get less heat and stuff, basically. So yeah, it's got an octa-core 4 times by 2.4 GHz, and it's got another 4 times 1.9 GHz. That'll be the weaker ones. That's for your power saving and stuff. It's got Adreno 610 GPU. So yeah, it does have a SD card reader, guys. Alright, and the internal memory is 64 gigabytes, which is okay for this day and age, as long as you use the SD card. I mean, 64 gig, you'll be left with about 40-ish gigs after the OS and all that stuff. So yeah, it's not the best, but it's alright for this price as well. You can't, you know, I've bought memory cards that are more expensive than this phone. Do you get me? So this is quite cheap. So yeah, it's got 4 gigs of RAM. There is a 128 gig model as well. I'm sure we just have the 64 gigs though, unless the center. No, we have 264 gig models, which is alright. It's got a. Alright, guys. So the cameras are 50 megapixels, like I said. That's your wide angle one. And the other cameras are only 2 megapixels, not 13. I thought there was 13. Maybe I read it wrong. So yeah, the main cameras aren't the best. Macro depth, so your wide angle is the best camera, which is 50. So that's decent. And then it does only up to 1080p video. And yeah, but the selfie camera is 13 megapixels, so that's decent. That's probably where I got it mixed up, didn't I? So yeah, that front camera can only do 1080p as well. And yeah, well, it is what it is, guys. So yeah, it's got normal Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, so it's got a newer version than my phone. And it's got NFC for you guys, and it's got USB Type-C, which is decent. I don't know if it has fast charging though, we'll have to find out. But it does have a, it actually does have a, oh no, it doesn't have fast charging. It has a bigger battery than my phone though, which is crazy. So it has a 5000 milliamp hour battery, guys, both of these. My phone only has a 4500 watt milliamp hour battery, I mean. So yeah, that's pretty decent. This battery life will be miles better than my phone. It's got a more efficient chip as well, so it'll be better in general. So yeah, and I'm looking at the Geekbench scores. They're pretty decent. They're not bad at all, guys. For the price as well, they're pretty damn decent. So yeah, what would I say? Have a look at these screens, guys. Oops, bloody nice screen them. For LCD screens, they're pretty decent. Viewing angles, they're not terrible. They're actually alright. That's a AMOLED screen, if you can see the difference. But obviously my one is a bit fucked. Can you see the difference? Mine's a bit pink right now. That's the problem with AMOLED. So that's my Note 4. No, Note 8. My Note 4 is dead. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, there's a white screen. It's got pink, because it's AMOLED, he has a lot of screen burning. Can you see the screen burning there, all this pink stuff? Like this bit here, hold to speak, that shouldn't be there. It's all screen burning, can you see? We've got date and time, CCTV. This is my CCTV phone pretty much. So yeah, that's what he does all day. So that's why he has no other purpose, this phone. He doesn't, there's really no other purpose on this one other than CCTV. So yeah, but yeah, I've always been a Samsung fan, guys. Beautiful phones. But yeah, I would have kept it, but I broke the cameras on both ends, so now I have to cover them all up. It's not worth repairing either, so it is what it is. So now we got these beautiful phones here, guys. Which color would I recommend, guys? What do you think, guys? I would personally go for this myself. It's so beautiful, like one hell of a color. Would I use a screen protector? Probably. You probably should use a screen protector, it'll be decent. Oh yeah, we've not finished unboxing of it. So inside here you got a SIM ejector, so it's going to be same on both ends. Oh, that's all you get. Wait, what? Oh yeah, that's the box in there. So the cable will be in here. Ah, my leg's broken. Oi, oi, oi. I'm getting old, guys. Can't sit for too long. Oh, so many bloody ways to open this. Okay. Yeah, so they don't give you the plug anymore, they just give you the wire. Oh, it's nice of them to give a USB-C to C. That's a nice cable there. Look at that. That's a beautiful cable. Alright. A quick start guide, warranty guide somewhere. Or guarantee, whatever it's called. Yeah, guarantee, warranty. What the hell? Oh, they just split off all the paper in different bloody booklets. Can you see? It's in different languages, each booklet. There's your product details. Don't know what the hell is that for. Yeah, thank you Samsung for sending this out. Really appreciate it. I'll make good use of them. Maybe they can replace my CCTV phone. This can be my CCTV phone. We'll see, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you, Samsung. Really appreciate it. Very beautiful phones. Let me get a nice thumbnail. See if I can get a nice thumbnail out. Something like that. What do you think, guys? Thank you guys for watching. Good night.